Good morning, you two, and I hope everybody is having a good day. So, if you're wondering why if you can't see, I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes in front of me, and today I'm going to show you my process of how I declutter, but some certain ones I needed to keep. So let's get started. So we're just going to, at the same time, I'm going to tell you what I liked and what I didn't like about it. So yeah. So it might not be that meaning, but yeah. Oh my God. This one I'm keeping. I remember this one. This is the Sparkle Star. If you remember that one. It has some good colors. Just I don't. It has good colors, good pigmentation, but it's been a while since I used it. So, and the shimmers I just don't like up in here. So we're ditching. Let's see. Uh, Coastal Scents we're keeping. Some are nearly new and some of them are a couple years old. So I know I'm keeping this. And mostly half of these palettes are cruelty free. And you do not have to be a cruelty based person just to purchase a cruelty free palette. Let me put that out there. So we have this Beauty Top. This is by Beauty Glaze. That's this palette, and I'm actually going to keep it because I haven't had a chance to use it yet. We have this palette. Haven't used it yet. This is going to actually stay. I'm actually going to declutter we're going to ditch the Magic Casual eyeshadow palettes. So these are where decluttering. Alright. Dose of Color Natural Earth palette. We're actually going to declutter this because this one has a broken eyeshadow in it. All of my BH Cosmetics we're keeping. Okay, let's see. We have I'm gonna pass that on right here. Keeping that. These are two palettes keeping these three. My first Morphe palette. Keeping this. Let's see. This is the Find Beauty. Yeah, this one we're keeping as well. Let's see how good this is right here. That one's still good. This was my first palette. And my sister had brought me this for Christmas one year, so we're gonna keep you. Master Palette Mario. I just think it's time for this to go. Alright, that one's gotta stay. All my Juvia's Place ones I'm leaving. Premise Makeup Rosemary. We're gonna keep you. This is going bye-bye. Literally, so mostly of this is still new, so alright, we're just gonna keep this. I think most of these we're keeping. I see one palette I want to get rid of. Is the Cinderella palette. I've been having this for some years. I'll pass this on, but I know I'm decluttering it. Got declutter that one because I have so many like that one. Peach Dream. Okay, Peach Dream is also a declutter, or somebody can have it. Okay. Has a date on it. Have one more year with this. I'm gonna start using this one a little more, so I want to get that, use that a little more. This is not old, so that's a keep. This is what this looked like. I might pass that on to my little cousin because she plays in makeup. This is nearly new. Cannot believe I still have this palette, Emily palette. Okay, let's see how good this is. It's still good. I can keep that. Yeah, I'll keep that one. First Jaclyn Hill palette, the original. So we're seeing how pigment is going to be. Oh my god, still pigment. So yeah, I'm going to keep that. Let's see what we can get. All right. So my first BH cosmetic one. So we're gonna do the swatch test and see how good it still is. We're going to use this purple. It is still good, so we're going to keep that. I know these are still good, so we're going to keep those. That I think we're going to keep this one, if you know what this one was a palette for. I know I'm keeping my these were my first BH palettes. I know they're still good. That's a still good one. I know these are still good. Oh my god. Yo, those are staying. But yeah, that's let's see. Here's these. These are going. That's going. Those are. But yeah, so let me show you. This is what we're getting rid of. But if you can see this, all it is what we're keeping. It's not much, but yeah. But yeah, but if you see these right back here, those are my Perfusion palettes. Have to keep those. But yeah, I will come back and show you how the drawers and everything is looking. It's time for me to declutter the makeup. So until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.